Okie dokie, just fired it up, didn't go. So that's the first time it's not worked for me. Not been used for 5 months. Transformer's working. Okay, so switching off totally. So that's an isolation switch I fitted when I built this in the tool chest, toolbox. Seems to be all there. I got the exhaust pipe going through the wall. Here we've got fuel in the line. We'll give it another razz, okay? So on. That comes on. Didn't come up with an error, so keep that still if I can. I've had a couple of years now. Works exceptionally well. I fitted the air vent on the outside using an extended bolt with a piece of metal sleeve, which just goes on the inside. I'll show you if I can see that. There. All the spare cables. One day I might fit this into a van, but we'll see. Pretty easy to do. Actually really enjoy doing it. What have we got here? Just waiting for the thump, you know, the remote control works well on these as well. You see the I can do that from down the house. I've got previous videos. I'll put a link up here to that. Oh, they're well worth it. Let's see if this fires up though. Don't keep it too long. Battery's okay. There we go. That doesn't mean everything. I don't know why it didn't go the first time then. But usually when you hear the thump, so I mounted the pump on the side on the rubber I don't know if I've done a close-up of this for you guys. Okay, fuel tank. Underneath, exhaust pipe. Here she goes, the furnace is kicking up now, can you hear that? What I used on the back was a fan. You can see that. I can show you that. You can see that. There you go. Computer vent. Oops, big finger in the way. We're using red diesel for heating, which is, I believe is allowed. Started the bar. You can see that little bar coming along here. There, that little one there. Not the one pumping. That one there, just behind the fan. That's your heat indicator. I hold it on there. See, oh, it's gone up again to another one. See that? I think I've got this on full bore. Oh, 31. I think it's 35 is full bore. 34, 35. There you go, 35 Celsius or centigrade, but it's the same I believe. Get that glare out the window. It's just a test, that's all we're doing. We're in the gym. Well, lads come this morning. We usually come on a Sunday and do a bit together. Oh, put that in focus. I did that yesterday. 200 reps. Not all in one go. So That was fun. I thought I'd try it out because I've got a shoulder injury, so I just thought I'd do rep. Worked well. Makes you feel good anyway. There you go. Let's have a look back around here. Whoop. There we go. Focus. Third digit coming up now. Yep, some nice warmth coming out. What I will do, I'll do a test one of these days and we'll drop it on the lowest heat. I'll mark the fuel, put a line on the fuel and see how much fuel it uses. So if you were in your van or whatever, or camper van or caravan, it'd be interesting to see how long the fuel would last. Because these does a little bit when it's on full power. And there we go, nearly full power. In. There you got the inlet, exhaust, so the air coming in, exhaust going out, and now we're on full heat. But it doesn't mean that it's on the hottest now, it will get hotter. It just takes a while. There we go. Tell he's back, can't you? There you go. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Just a quick insight and a test on the diesel heater. Say bye, Andrew. Bye, Andrew. Take care. Catch you in the next vid. Shouldn't be long. I'm fitting some proper, really robust dinghy wheels for my dinghy. Well, when we can get to pick the engine up as well. Alright, take care everyone, all the best. P.S. That's roasted now, that is cooking.